Today's video is going to show you how to make this slip knot, which is a starter for most projects. You can put your crochet hook or knitting hook into it and tighten it. And if you pull the string too much, it disappears. So to start, you're going to first make a loop where the short end is going to cross in front of the long end of the string. And then you're going to bring the long string through this loop and pull it up. So this is the long string now. And the short string is going to pull through, and we are finished. Now if I pull both strings, it will get smaller and smaller and smaller. You usually want to make it to be snug on your needle or it still will move. And that is a slip knot. Now I'm going to show you again with the bigger needle. So again, we can make a slip knot. Put the large needle inside and it will fit perfectly to whatever size needle by pulling on the two strings at the end. One more time in slow motion. Make a loop, pull the long string through the loop, hold on to that long string, and pull the short string. Pull both to tighten. Now, if you're working with different yarn, it will be a little bit different looking, but it's the same process. So here is a fuzzy yarn I use for making dishcloths. So again, we're going to make a magic loop by making a loop and pulling the long string through it. And then finally a big thick yarn. We make a loop. We go in the loop, pull the long string through it, and pull on both strings. There we have a slip knot. Thank you for watching.